Hello everyone, welcome to TechBrain. My name is Sam, and in this video, I will show you how to blur a part of a video in CapCut. First, open the CapCut app and tap New Project. Select and add the video from your phone's gallery. Tap on the Effects option at the bottom. To add video effects, go to Lens and choose the Blur effect. Expand the video effect to the whole video. Go back. Tap on the Overlay button and add the overlay. Select the video from the gallery to add. After adding the video, resize it on the screen by zooming in. Swipe right the editing tools and tap Mask. Select the mask-like rectangle and there is the invert option. Tap on it and adjust the mask to the part of the video you want to blur. Once it is adjusted, play the video to view the blurred part. You will see that the place you want to hide is not visible. Now add the keyframes to make the smooth transition. Move the blurred area according to your video. Play the video and add multiple keyframes to the timeline. Move the blurred part along with it and you will see that the blurred part covers the place you want to hide. Play the video to ensure the quality of the video and export it to the gallery. That is it. Thank you very much for watching. Please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day.